on the inside, me only feel pamora. Now I believe that love is real. You and me forever, eternity, mother, till death do us part. Akoni yarawa. Perfect us, yeah. Perfect us, yeah. You and me forever. Perfect us.
I'm missing Yashake very much, and maybe you can allow me to bring her to come and be living in this house with me, sir.
I see. And what about your children? What will happen to them? Where will they stay?
No, they are not very much, man. It's just 7 children that God favored me with.
7 children?
As in a whole 7? Just you? Ademi, are you still busy?
Yeah. Shekosi.
Nothing. So, why can't you just drop this? And
Sweetie, I have to finish this. I have this report. I have to submit this report tomorrow. I'm sorry. You can see how I'm rushing it now. I'm not sure it will rush it. Don't fall.
Ademi, there is time for everything, you know. There is time to work. There is time to give out your responsibility, and there is time to play lovey-dovey. You understand?
I know, right?
So drop this thing now and talk to me.
This thing needs to go out first thing tomorrow. This email has to go out first thing tomorrow. I'm sorry. Plus, I'm exhausted. I'm so tired.
I didn't see. I just want you for like 30 to 45 minutes. I swear I will release you by then.
I'm sorry, darling. It's another night,
No, just few minutes.
Seriously.
Why are you so adamant? Just few minutes.
Are you listening to me? I say I'm exhausted and I need to finish and submit this report first thing tomorrow. Babe. Babes.
Ademi, 1 second, please.
Wo, ebi ti fẹ́ máa lọ o.
Máa lọ báwo? Ṣé ò ní jẹun ni?
No, má bínú mi ò lè dúró jẹun. I need to be on fẹ́ máa tètè lọ so that I can get to the meetings mo nílé ni.
Ademi, meetings ò ní kẹ́ máa jẹun. At least a little.
Sweetheart, má bínú, ṣùgbọ́n I really have to be there on time. But not worry, I'll fix her me up to buy around meetings mo ṣe.
I don't understand. Fix her up. How?
Tẹ́ni, gbogbo lè dá something. Gbogbo lè tí mo fi dúró tí mo fi rojọ́ yìí, màá ti fi débì kan. Don't worry, tí màá ti dé ní alẹ́, gbogbo ẹ̀ pátá ni màá jẹ. Yes.
Gbogbo lè ta fi sọ̀rọ̀ yìí. Wá ti jẹ maybe one slice or two.
Sweetheart, I can't wait. I'm sorry. Jọ̀ọ́, má bínú.
All right, let me see you. Bring your bag.
Hello? Beatrice. Hello? Beatrice. Yeah. I'm on my way. I'm on my way, don't worry.
Have a nice day. Unbelievable. So, hey, I didn't miss skip breakfast. All because of a meeting.
Thomas! Thomas!
Okay, come on.
Ṣé bó lọ ṣe meeting ni? Ó dẹ̀ máa parí àbí? Á padà wálé wá ṣe. Ademi.
Yeah, babes. How far now?
Báwo lẹ wọlé?
You should wọlé sí o.
Oh.
There are shiggies in there.
Hey, yeah, ẹ pẹ̀lẹ́. How are you?
I'm alright.
You tired?
I am tired.
Really?
How was your day?
Not bad. Boring. A bit. What can I do? So, how was the meeting?
Oh, it went well. It went very well. Thanks for asking. Sorry, hold that thought.
What's that?
Hello? Yeah, Mr. Anderson. Musha didn't sing. It's sorry, it's a TV. Email. Okay, no problem. I will check and I'll revert. Fine. ASAP, no problem.
You don't understand that you're ASAP. You mean right now or tomorrow?
ASAP, like yesterday if possible. Man, it's we have this documents that we have to file tomorrow morning, first thing tomorrow morning, so I have to get some emails out by tonight.
Can't you postpone it?
If I could, I would, but I can't. No, not really. I don't understand.
You don't have a choice.
I'm going to change, okay? Is dinner ready?
Yes.
Thank you.
Are you joking?
I'm sorry, I'm
You're just what? Tired, are you?
Yes.
Ademi, are you joking or you're serious? I don't understand. Please.
I'm sorry. Yeah, babe, I promise you I will make it up to you. Okay?
Ademi, ọjọ́ kẹta rere tó mọ̀ fún mi ní excuse pé you are tired. So mi ò understand jọ, ṣé nǹkan kan ṣe ẹ́ ń bẹ̀ yẹn ni? Because even though you're tired, you can still do something.
Tiny, what are you trying to insinuate? No, kí ló try láti insinuate nsìn?
Pé kó fún mi lẹ́tọ̀ọ́ mi. Mo ní ìdẹ̀tọ́ mi. Jọ fún mi lẹ́rọ̀.
Look, are you even listening to me, babe? No, even when my body is betraying me, kí ló fẹ́ kí n ṣe now? I say I'm tired, you're not even listening to me.
Okay, fine, you are tired, but I can handle this place. Just sleep here. I will handle the job. Oton, Oyasun.
Teniola, I promise you that I will make it up to you.
Adé, jọ nǹkan tó ń sọ yìí o. Kí la fẹ́ ra fún? Ẹ̀tọ́ mi lélẹ̀ tó yẹ kí n máa jẹ steadily. Wọ́n á sọ fún mi pé ó rẹ̀ lé ní rẹ̀ lọ́la. Jọ, I don't understand. Abode ti ń àdé sọ o.
I'm sorry, okay? I'm really tired. I promise you I will make it up to you. Okay?
So you're tired and you can't do anything?
I'm really tired, Teniola. It's been a very long day.
No problem. You can sleep. Just sleep. Good night.
I'm sorry, Ricky.
No, I that means Thomas will have a mission.
Babe. 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 Teniola. God. Mo ti ṣe tán o.
Okay.
Just okay. Won't you come and give me a hug or at least a peck? Abo. Teniola.
What?
Oh, they just you did
Most I?
Hello, Larry. Opa. You are fine. Wow, I'm very ill. No, be sure you're all I see. Okay then. Alright. Talk to you later.
Madam. Well done, man. Madam, Oga buy me these fine clothes and these tier jeans. But, Madam, Oga don't forget to buy me correct shoe I go dey use knack am to match.
Because after everything, to watch Shelley, what have been pay more me low libido.
Alright. Obìnrin lè ròyìn gbẹ̀rọ̀ lórí nǹkan tó bá fẹ́. She can even revolt against herself to get whatever she wants. That's women for you, my guy.
Marry ọ̀rọ̀ ló sọ because honestly, ó yà mí lẹ́nu gan tó pé ọ̀rọ̀ yẹn fẹ́ máa fa wàhálà láàrin mi àti Tẹniọlá.
Ó máa gbọ́ ra ẹ̀. Kò ṣe ní máa fàjà. You know that I would walk through a garden with you forever. Yàtọ̀ sí owó. Obìnrin ní ìgbádùn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Serious ìgbádùn.
Yóò gbádùn.
Ó ṣe yóò gbádùn. Ó tọrọ ni mo bẹ́ẹ̀ sọ yẹn.
No wahala now. So as you don't turn yourself to Mr. Experience, ìgbà wo ló máa marry?
Alright.
Sir?
I don't think I'm ready to do that right now.
Sure, go.
Even if I want to do that, I would get me a girl that would respect me, that would regard me. Yàtọ̀ sí gbogbo àwọn lovey-dovey stuff. I need a girl that would respect me.
Oh, serious?
Ó dà mo ti gbọ́.
Oh, serious?
Bó ṣe wí gẹ́lẹ́ yẹn gan náà bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
I'm not serious there. Jẹ́ ká kúrò bí jàre. Ká máa lọ.
Àwọn ọmọ a ní láti wá nǹkan ṣe sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn.
So why are you here?
Mo ń bèrè lọ́wọ́ mi ni. Ṣé iye títí ẹ ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sọjí pé mo tẹ̀lé ẹ délé nígbà tá a ti délé tán?
Bẹ́ẹ̀ni sá. Yes sir.
Ok, má wọlé mọ̀ kó tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ nísìnyí pé màá ra jókòó jẹ́jẹ́ sí pálọ̀ nígbà tí ògidì àgbo tá a gbé lura ẹ̀ tó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ àṣepé.
Ó dà pé gẹ́ta rẹ̀. Inú ara ẹ̀ ń fà láre.
Ní sùúrù.
Sì dán lùkù níbo.
Kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gangan?
Kí ni ò ṣẹlẹ̀?
Can someone not play with you?
Play báwo? Má bá mi play kankan o.
Okay, o mọ̀ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀, o mọ̀. Anyway, o mọ̀ since ó jẹ́ pé àdúgbò láti múra, and I thought it wise that it would be okay to, stop by and then, kí olórí láàfin. You understand what I'm talking about?
Bó ṣe gbọ́dọ̀ rí nìyẹn.
Yeah.
Má jẹ́ kó jẹ́ pé torí mo fi ọwọ́ tó ń dùn mí lábẹ́ aṣọ hàn ẹ̀, wọ́n á fẹ́ máa fa ìwà burúkú jáde lára ẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n sì dán lùkù sí bí.
Mo ti gbọ́. Meet and greet.
And then talk to your leg and be going to your house.
No problem. Ilé ìkòkò báyìí.
Jẹ́ ká wọlé gbà.
Ìwọ ló nílé.
Welcome. Káàbọ̀.
Thank you, Dada. Jẹ́ ká wọlé.
Hi.
Olórí láàfin. Báwo ni?
Okay.
I'm good. I'm alright.
Báwo ni?
Àdúgbò lọ́wọ́ lára ṣe.
Ọjọ́ mẹ́ta.
Ọjọ́ kan pẹ̀lú.
Láre, mo bọ̀ fẹ́ sáré lọ sókè lọ.
Okay, mo máa wà níbẹ̀.
No problem.
Mi ò ní pẹ́ máa lọ.
Of course.
All right.
Olórí,
Yawa.
I'm good.
Hele tí mo rí yín lèmi lálẹ́. I just hope all is well.
All is well now. Èmi àti Mani la múra wá ń gbòòrò, you know.
Oh.
And I thought it wise that kò ní dáa kó gbọ́ pé àríra, and then I didn't come to see you. So that's why I'm here. Bó ṣe máa rí náà nìyẹn. Ẹ máa ń múra yín ni bí n pẹ́ ń léra yín. Kẹ́ tó lè wá sílé mi. Ó mọ̀ pé ọkọ ẹ náà kò fi bẹ́ẹ̀ ráyè addition of calculation náà ni. Ó mọ̀ pé abájú wàá pè mí àbí kakọ̀ dẹ̀ kó mọ̀ bó ṣe máa ń lọ náà. But then the end product is that after I see him, màá ní láti wá sílé kí wọ́n á kí ẹ. Ìyẹn náà ló dáa jù. Kò yẹ.
Ọjọ́ òun ẹ̀dín pápọ̀. Ẹ jọ.
Addition and subtraction náà.
Kí ni offer yín? Ṣé máa jẹ anything?
No, not really. Mi ò ní pẹ́ máa lọ.
So ẹ fẹ́ jẹun lé mi báyà bí?
Kò rí kí n ṣe pé mi ò fẹ́ jẹun.
Oh, fine. But ẹ ṣáà máa lè mú anything. Don't worry, I'll just uncle. I'm coming.
Okay, just there, no matter. Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Balawo. Gbogbo nǹkan ló ní solution fún everything. Kí ló tún pé léyìí báyìí ọkùnrin yàn. Má ti dúró bàjẹ́. Láàrin ti lọ́yẹ́ lẹ́yìn o.
Last more rí ní báyìí.
Olórí, báwo rè? Very soon, màá tún yọjú sí yín. Ò ní fẹ́ máa lọ.
Lóde, ẹ̀jẹ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ rẹ̀ yín.
Iṣẹ́ ló ń bọ̀ ẹ̀.
I'm so sorry. Ṣé mi ò pẹ́ jù ṣá?
Ó pẹ́ jù.
Okay. How far? Ó ti máa lọ ní ẹni.
Ìfẹ́ máa lọ mẹ́.
Ah, okay. Nice one, man. Nice one.
Bá mi kí olórí, bá mi dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Ó ṣe mí dáadáa. All right.
Thanks, man.
Yeah. Then,
I know. Mi ò gbàgbé.
Oh yeah, you really
Kó ṣì lọ, ó dìrà nù, foolish guy. Baby girl.
All right now.
Má bọ̀, má ṣe yẹn now. Come now. Oh yeah, let's just talk. Please. Just talk. Personal. Now, Teniola, báwo lè ṣe báyìí now?
What is this now? Tobi.
Má bínú. Jọ̀wọ́ má bínú.
Oh yeah, after you.
Ladies first now.
Ladies
first.
No, ladies first.
Yes. My wife is there soon. My wife is angry. Ìyàwó Tobi.
To where?
Is it not you?
For you?
Take
me, take it easy now.
what easy. Ole.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Man, I enjoyed it.
But we go on this something. Exactly what I want to do.
Man. So, can you have more?
Small. We die here today. No worry. We're going to shake the week. We'll answer everything today.
I can't wait. Oh yeah, now.
We're together inside the freshener. You want to see?
Oh.
Yes, so.
Okay. I'm waiting. Waiting, no. I'm good. Share no.
We need láti dúpẹ́ náà. Ojú ṣe mi gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọkùnrin ló ṣe.
Really?
Yes.
Hero, ojúṣe báyìí ni ká máa rí o.
Àmì o.
So, for me to show a sign of appreciation, I make something delicious for you.
Really?
Yep.
Ṣé kò sáré?
It's deep on the inside. Me if you come alright. Now I believe that love is real. You and me forever. Eternity, mother. Till death do us part. Akoni yarawa. Perfect us, yeah. Perfect us, yeah. You and me forever. Remedy Mouja. It is out of life.
So, actually, Bedele. Wow.
Into you, you're into me. We are inseparable for life. Actually, I call. So we will let the sheep outside.